Hello and welcome to Bitcoin US dollar technical analysis. Yeah, so we are back with Bitcoin. In my last video I mentioned Bitcoin was well on its way to $11,000 and from there might be headed down or should be headed down actually into a correctional pattern, which might as well just go as deep as into the $8,000 range, which is definitely a possibility. However, there's of course also the possibility that we might see a kind of running correctional formation, which would basically just mean that the following low of the correction move would be higher in terms of prices than the previous low. So we will see about this. But one thing I found pretty interesting, and from a chart technical perspective, was if you connect, which is in my opinion, or could be in my opinion, the end of wave 1 to, so if you connect a trend line between the top of wave 1 all the way to the top of, which could be wave 3, so 1, 2, 3, which would mean this is the 4 and we now have a very long extended wave 5. This wave 5 should go up and touch this trend line once more to finish wave 5. So I mean, if we look at this could actually happen. I mean, why not? So this would mean, I mean, those lines cross at the 15th, so this is this weekend, so yeah, or 16th, so we will know about this just a couple of days. So definitely this could definitely be some kind of some point that has some kind of attraction for the price. But for now, this previous high of wave X of the previous move, so which is basically the X2, has marked the stop for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been sold pretty precisely all the way below this. So you can see the bodies of the candles are strictly below this this line, and yeah, so that's right now where the stop is. But I mean, if you've seen the climb in the last couple of weeks, so there could definitely be enough momentum in the market to drive Bitcoin up for this final push to yeah, to basically let Bitcoin reach this price area up here in a couple of days, and yeah, from there start a correctional move in what form soever. And yeah, so that's it basically for Bitcoin. So I'm still waiting for a definitive confirmation as to if this was the end of wave 1, which is perfectly possible. Bitcoin does not have to go any higher. But in my opinion, this would be a really nice target for Bitcoin right now. And yeah, we will see what Bitcoin does. So will it go up and touch this trend line before heading into a correction, or does it go into correction mode from here? Maybe from here even a running correction mode. I mean, this correction could very well end here, but ideally we see a deep correction just to make sure it's corrected enough and just to get a very impulsive move up, which yeah, sometimes is necessary to correct a little bit just to gain the momentum to break through those very important resistance levels, which I mean those 3 definitely are, but those 2 more importantly than this one in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, that's it for Bitcoin for the moment. Nothing much has happened, and so it's just a very short update. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.